Good morning, dear students. So today what I am going to teach you is a part of Science 1, and this chapter is common for class 8 and 9. For class 8 it is chapter 5, Inside the Atom, and for class 9 it is Measurement of Matter. So whatever I teach, kindly listen it carefully and afterwards you note it down in your notebook. So please maintain a science notebook. So what we are going to study in this chapter is, as you can see, the concept map. That is, first of all we are going to study about the matter, then atom, then inside the atom there are the charges, protons and electrons, and the neutron. Then we will study about the atomic mass, atomic number, electronic configuration, and the distribution of electrons in the different shells. So let us start. So we will start with the first topic, that is, what is the meaning of a matter. So matter is anything that occupies space, has mass, and can be perceived by the senses. In simple word, whatever you see around yourself is a matter. Okay, now imagine where are you sitting right now. Note down the things, whatever around you can see, and note it any 10 things on your notebook and find whether that substance or that thing can occupy the space, or whether it has certain mass, or can you feel through your sense organs, like can you touch, can you smell that thing, can you see that thing, can you hear the sound of that thing. So all that thing, if you feel, that is a matter. ओके, आपके आसपास में जो भी सामान दिखाई देता है आपको, अगर उसका वज़न है, आप उसको सेंस कर पा रहे हो, देख पा रहे हो, सुन पा रहे हो, या फिर आप उसको कहीं भी रखते हो तो वो अगर जगह ले लेता है या स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई कर लेता है, तो हम उसे क्या कहेंगे? इट इज़ अ मैटर. ओके, नाउ again the matter is further divided into 3 types. Basically they are solid, liquid and gaseous form. Okay, simple example is ice. Ice is solid in form, then water is liquid in form, and the steam is in the gaseous form. So we will discuss this thing in detail. So I hope this thing you have understood, so kindly note it down in your notebook. So once again I am repeating this: anything that occupies space, has mass and can perceived by the senses is called a matter. Okay, now if we see here, you can see matter is further subdivided into solid, liquid and gas. Okay, if you see, solid example is ice, liquid example water, gas example steam. Okay, now if you see the structure of the solid, these are the particles of solid, particles of liquid and particles of the gas. From the structure itself you can understand about their physical properties. Okay, let's take the example of this marker pen. This is solid. If I would like to press it, okay, it is incompressible. I cannot compress it. ठीक है, ये solid है. इसके particles कैसे होते हैं? Close होते हैं, एक दूसरे के काफ़ी close होते हैं, जिसके वजह से इसको हम compress नहीं कर सकते. तो solids are incompressible. लेकिन अगर आप वाटर का एग्जांपल लेते हो, वाटर बॉटल, तो उसके पार्टिकल्स थोड़े फ्री होते हैं और आप थोड़ा सा उसको प्रेस कर सकते हो, लेकिन ज़्यादा नहीं. लेकिन अगर हम गैस की बात करते हैं तो पार्टिकल्स दे आर रैंडमली मूविंग एंड दे आर हाईली कंप्रेसिबल. ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ the matter. So first of all, we will see the physical properties of solid. So as you can see the structure of a solid, so solid particles are rigid. Rigid means they are very tough. They cannot move or slide one another. And solid, we cannot compress it. So they are not easily compressible, and you can see there they have very little free space between the particles. Another property is that they retain a fixed volume and shape. That means their shape and volume is fixed because they are rigid and they are locked in the same place. So that is why the solid, basically they are rigid, tough, hard. Now if we see the physical properties of liquid, so liquid can flow easily because particles can move, slide on one another. Second property is that they are not easily compressible as compared to the solid because of the little free space between the particles. The another property is that the liquid takes the shape of the container which it occupies. ओके, आप पानी को जिस भी कंटेनर में डालोगे वो उसका शेप ले लेगा, यानी कि उसका कोई भी फिक्स्ड शेप नहीं है. लेकिन हाँ, वॉल्यूम फिक्स्ड है. लाइक अगर आप 500 मिलीलीटर का वाटर लेते हो, आप उसको किसी भी कंटेनर में डालो, उसका वॉल्यूम फिक्स रहेगा, बट शेप उसका जिस कंटेनर में डालोगे उस शेप में वो हो जाएगा. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट द गैस. Gases are highly compressible because of lot of free space between the particles, and gases can flow easily. That is why the liquid and the gases, they are called as the fluid. Fluid means property to flow, and gases takes the shape and volume of its container. Okay, so I hope you have understood this physical properties of the solid, liquid and gas. Now kindly listen it carefully and try to note it down in your notebook.